Okay, here's my new old car ysII, as you can see there, 1998. Just thought I might do a video for this. I'm going to start commissioning it over the next week or two. And in the lead up to looking for one of these, I didn't find anything on the internet, anything on YouTube that would kind of help me in this phase that I'm at right now. So I thought I might make a video, or start making a few videos of assembling this new toy. See if it helps anybody, if there's anything in here that of interest. And might make a few more videos, see how things go. Just got the table on here, just about to join these two sections of rack together. I'll level this table up. Earlier on I leveled the main section with the spindle nice and level, the saw blade sitting plumb. All of the important stuff is kind of sitting where it needs to. Then I just have to attach the second end table out on the outfeed side, get that all leveled up with the main section, and then I can move on to the next section of fun. Start mounting the motor, the pulley gears, and blower, ducting. Electrician's coming this afternoon. We can look at the starter for my 75 kilowatt motor that's going to power this bad boy. Yeah, anyway, it's the first time I've made one of these videos, so I just thought no time like the present, do a video. If anybody has any questions about this mill, I'll do my best to answer. Cheers.